Welcome, dear listener. I'm Lyra. So tonight, let me take you into a story where a little girl, a rolling pumpkin, and a brave stone prove that wit is stronger than fear. Once upon a time, there was a bright little girl named Lily, quick-witted, curious, and always dreaming. One day, her parents had to leave for a nearby town. Before stepping out, they knelt down, looked her in the eyes, and warned her, "Lily, promise us you'll stay inside the house. There's plenty of food here, so you don't need to leave. And remember, deep in the woods nearby lives a wicked old wolf. Stay safe until we return." Lily nodded eagerly. "Don't worry, Mama. Don't worry, Papa. I'll be careful." But the moment her parents were gone, her heart grew restless. She had longed to visit her grandmother's cozy little house at the far edge of the forest. Temptation whispered to her, "Today is your chance." Still, she hesitated. The road to Grandma's passed right by the wolf's den. How could she possibly go without being caught? Thinking hard, she stepped into the garden and spoke softly to her favorite plant, an enormous pumpkin vine that had grown strong under her care. "My friend," she whispered, "will you help me get to Grandma's house quickly and safely?" To her surprise, the pumpkin vine replied warmly, "Of course, Lily. You watered me, cared for me, helped me grow. If I don't help you, who else would I ever help?" With that, the vine offered her a massive pumpkin. "Hollow it out, carve a little door, and climb inside. When you say, 'Roll, my pumpkin, roll,' it will carry you safely through the forest." Excited, Lily carved the pumpkin, slipped inside, and whispered, "Roll, my pumpkin, roll," and roll it did. The giant pumpkin tumbled down the forest path, carrying her deeper and deeper. But just as it passed the wolf's den, the old beast lifted his nose. His sharp eyes glared. He pounced in front of it and growled, "Stop! Who's inside? I can smell you, Lily." From within, Lily steadied her breath and spoke calmly. "Oh, Mr. Wolf, I'm weak, so thin. I haven't eaten in days. Please let me go to my grandmother's house. I'll eat there, and when I return in 2 days, I'll be plump and fat. Then, when you eat me, your belly will be truly full." The wolf, greedy but lazy, thought, "She's right. If I wait, she'll be a bigger, juicier meal." So, with a sly grin, he stepped aside and let the pumpkin roll on. And so, the pumpkin carried Lily safely to her grandmother's cottage. Grandma May opened the door, her face lighting up with joy. She hugged Lily tight, fed her warm bread, sweet pies, and roasted corn, and filled her ears with old magical stories. 2 days of laughter and happiness passed like a dream. But soon, it was time to leave. Grandma May said gently, "Take something as a gift, my dear." Lily's eyes wandered and landed on a giant millstone in the corner. "Grandma, may I take this? It's beautiful." The millstone, unused and unnoticed for so long, had never been called beautiful before. It felt proud and agreed. So Lily placed it in the pumpkin beside her. She whispered, "My brave millstone, you'll lead the way. If danger comes, you'll face it first." The stone beamed with pride. Together they set off, first the strong millstone, then the rolling pumpkin. But the wolf had been waiting. Hungry now, eyes blazing, he leapt into the road and snarled, "Lily, at last, you've come back to me." Before he could attack, the heavy millstone rolled forward, fast, furious, slamming down upon the wolf. The beast howled in pain, his bones breaking beneath the crushing weight. With one final cry, the forest fell silent. The wolf was gone. And so, thanks to her cleverness and her brave new friend, Lily made it home safely, long before her parents returned. She gently touched the stone and whispered, "Thank you, my brave friend. Now go back to Grandma May, she'll be waiting for you." The millstone rolled away happily, while the wicked wolf was never seen in the forest again. And that's how a little girl, a rolling pumpkin, and a proud millstone proved that even the fiercest predator can be defeated, not with strength, but with courage, cleverness, and a little bit of friendship.